Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris, and I've got a short little video that I'm going to show you guys about something really cool. So, if you're familiar with these trucks, you know that the master cylinder is under the floor, which is apparently really dirty right now. So, this is your master cylinder. And as you can see, it's got a square cap on it. I don't know if you would call that a cap per se. But anyway, you can see it sits down in the floor at least a good finger length. So, it's not easy to get to that thing in all situations. If you want to check your brake fluid, you want to be able to check your brake fluid quick. Now, there's different ways you can kind of finagle in there to get to this cap to check and see if your fluid's okay. And I was looking online, and a socket, which seems like the best solution, 3/4 inch square socket, is like 20 bucks. But you don't really want to spend 20 bucks on a tool that you're never going to use. Well, I shouldn't say never. You don't want to spend 20 bucks on a tool that's only got one real use. Not in all situations. It depends. So anyway, well, I was at Doug's house yesterday. He made me a cool little tool to solve this problem that I can just keep in the truck all the time. And I thought I would share it with you guys so you would know how to do the same. A hack, if you will. And that is this. This is a 1-inch piece of square stock, just long enough to go through the floor and stick up above the floor itself, and fits right onto the cap on the master cylinder. And we welded this little T handle on. Basically, it's a 1-inch square stock with 1/8 of an inch all the way around, which gives you 3/4 on the inside. So it makes it just the right size. So now I can just put that back here into our hole. We just drop right down into there. And when we want to check our fluid, we just turn the cap. So if you've got an original style single reservoir master cylinder, and then you know that checking the fluid level on a regular basis is a very safe thing to do. So now, with this simple tool, thanks to Doug, I can check it whenever I want, and I can just keep it in the truck. I can just throw it in the little box behind the seat, and it's there when I need it. Hacked. Follow me for more simple advice.